In this video, we're gonna talk about how to prove her wrong and how to get revenge. You know what I'm saying, maybe you went through a bad breakup. I just had a phone call this morning with one of my good friends, and he told me, "Bro, listen, man, I don't know what to do." You know what I'm saying? He went through this horrible breakup, and come to find out, his best friend was involved. Yeah, his best friend was doing the honors. It reminded me of that one time when I had broken up with my girlfriend, and around 2 months later, I ended up hitting her up again. Right? 'Cause I had gotten drunk one night, didn't have any luck that time, so I was like, yeah, let me just hit this, up. So I hit her, you know what I'm saying. I slid through, gave it to her, and about a month and a half later, I get a phone call. She's like, "Yo, listen, I just want you to know that I'm pregnant." I was like, "What?" There's no, way. But, thank God, I came to find out it wasn't my kid, it was my best friend's kid. These are situations that happen a lot. Whether it's your best friend, the UPS man, the personal trainer, her best friend, you know what I'm saying. Whoever the it is, right? It don't matter who it is. You're focusing on the wrong, bro. You're focusing on the wrong, You know what I'm saying? You should be thanking God that He showed you her true colors. He showed you that person isn't loyal. He showed you that person has no standards, no self-respect, a low-quality female. So that's number one, you have to be grateful for the situation. Damn, God just showed me that this female is low quality as, God just showed me that this female is for the streets. That's number one. So take a step back and be thankful that you were able to realize the truth sooner rather than later. Maybe it was 5 years down the road, maybe 6. It doesn't matter, bro. You should be thankful that now you know the truth. Now you know the truth of who this person really is. This person is not who you thought she was in your head, right? So just be grateful, bro. But you probably still have that anxiety built up in you, right? You want to get back at her, you want revenge, and the best revenge is massive success, bro. You have guys telling you, bro, just go out drinking, get your mind off it, and just go do different stuff. You're wasting time, bro. All that energy you're going to invest in doing whatever and drinking and buying bottles and partying, that's energy you need to invest in leveling yourself up. You know what? Probably the reason why she disrespected you is 'cause she didn't consider you high enough value to even give you respect. So you make sure that you build yourself up into a man who deserves respect. To the point when she sees you again, she won't even recognize you, 'cause you just 10xd. Bro, you've improved yourself so much that she's going to be like, damn, I should have never treated him like that. I should have never disrespected him. You know what I'm saying? If you do not improve, if you do not level up, if you do not go hard, she's not going to regret what she did, bro. She did what she did because she considered you low value. And you have competition, bro. She looked around at the competition and said, "Oh, this guy's better. Oh, this guy's better." She didn't give a damn about you. So the only way to get revenge is to make her regret what the heck she did by leveling up in every area, getting your pockets right, getting your mindset right, and getting your body right, bro. Every single time I broke up, every single time, bro, you guys see my body transformations, they were all because of bad breakups. Every single time, to the point where they always come back sliding in my DMs, hitting me up, calling me private, every single time. Because I've attracted their respect. I demonstrated who their I am. That I'm not a quitter, that I'm a go-getter. That I look better than everybody else, 'cause I'm willing to do what nobody else is willing to do. That I'm willing to go harder, I'm willing to wake up earlier, I'm willing to work longer hours to make this bread. Which just puts you above the rest, to the point when she looks at you, she's like, damn, this guy really has no competition. I regret treating him the way I did. And you're going to get her respect by force. And it's not to go back with her, right? But it's just to prove primarily to yourself who you are. And while you're out there grinding, you're going to notice something else. It's not just her that's watching, it's everybody. All those people who knew you, all those people who maybe thought you were nothing, or saw you as just average, they are all going to see that transformation. That glow up is real, bro, and when you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, you start attracting respect from people you didn't even think were paying attention. People start recognizing you for your discipline, your dedication, your hustle. And guess what? When that happens, opportunities start opening up. New doors, new women, new career moves, things that you didn't even consider before, they start coming to you. You're putting yourself in a position to win, and success becomes the best revenge, not just on her, but on anyone who doubted you. And listen, bro, don't just do this to prove her wrong. Do it for you. That's the real game here. You level up for yourself because when you reach that next level, nobody can take it away from you. You own it. You're not just doing this for some temporary satisfaction of revenge. Nah, this is long-term. This is about setting yourself up for life, becoming so undeniable that not only do you get her respect, but you get your own. You look in the mirror, and you respect the man you've become. That's what this is really about, building yourself into someone who commands respect because of who you are and the work you put in. And when you get to that point, you're not even going to care about her anymore. She'll just be a memory, a lesson, a stepping stone on your path to greatness. That's the real win, bro. If you liked this video and what I said, consider becoming a channel member and don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and as always, enjoy the sound of this beautiful car and the scenery.